Okay, hey guys, it's Pyron here, and I'll just introduce you my new keyboard. Nice. This is a blue mechanical switch. Wait, there we go. Blue mechanical switch. Oh, I forgot I had that mode on. Okay. Wait. I can't see shit in it. It's hard to. I'll just fix that later. Yeah, I'll fix that later. Okay. This is a blue mechanical switch, and there's a really a lot of modes on lights. I'll show you the different kinds of modes. Okay, this one is pulsating when you press a button, and another one just steady, plain. You can make it let me just close this. Okay, you can make it go dimmer or brighter, and there's this shadow effect, like when you type something that happens. Oh, wrong one. Okay, and this is the pulsating mode or breathing mode. You can make it slower. See, now it's slow. Make it faster. There we go. Now the gaming mode. Look at that LED. Beautiful. Okay. Let's see what else. Now this wave effect. Very nice. This one's the opposite. This one's stacking on top of each other. Okay. This is a wave effect again. It's the effect that I showed you. And this is the pulsating effect again. And then I'm back here. So I got this for how many pesos? 1999, which is 2,000, which is pretty cheap actually. Just I got a discount on it. And here's a box right here. I don't really include the wrist rest. I don't really need it. But here's a box right here. Beautiful box. Beautiful. But I still downgraded because my headphones are shit again. But at least I got a proper mechanical keyboard this time. I'll do a test on the sound. As you can see right here. And that's pretty much it. See you guys.